So we're rotating 90 degrees. So again, we have this rotation. So that's how far we have to go. Okay. And I'm going counterclockwise about the point 4, 2. So the point 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's my point of rotation right there at 4, 2. Counterclockwise would go in that direction. So I'm turning backwards. So this, I should be thinking, is going to end up down there in that position. Okay. And again, that paper is actually a nice tool to be able to see where it's going to end up. All right. So we're going to use the triangle method. And so I'm going to go with C because it's closest. So I'm going to start with this one. Okay, so here is my segment that connects the pre-image to the center of rotation. And again, from my center of rotation, how do I move to get to point C? I go up 3, so up 3, and then left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, again, now I'm going 90 degrees counterclockwise. So if I think of this turning, okay, I had an up 3. My up 3 is going to turn into, at that 90 degrees, left 3. Okay, and my left 6, when I rotate 90 degrees, is going to turn into down 6. Okay, so from here, left 3, 1, 2, 3, down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's my new point. Okay, that is my C prime. And so my C prime is at 1, -4. And I'm just going to fill this in. Okay, so again, we see this 90-degree angle right here. Okay. And we can verify that we actually indeed have that 90-degree angle because of the rotation of these right triangles. Okay, so this I want to make sure to label C prime. All right, so now I'm going to do the same thing, and I am going to look at my, let's take this, B prime. Okay, so if I take this and I connect these, okay, if I were to move from my center to B, it's up 1 and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So left 11. Okay, so what is up 1 when I rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise in that direction? What is my up 1 going to turn into? It's going to turn into left 1. And what does my left 11, when I rotate that direction 90 degrees, my left turns into down 11. Okay, so from here, I'm going left 1, down 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's going to put me right here. This is going to be my B prime, which is at 3, -9. Okay, so let's just verify from our point of rotation here. Okay, and we see our triangle in here, and here is our triangle. Okay, so we got that 90-degree rotation, and we have that nice, and again, we'll verify in a minute when we actually look at our circles and make sure our circles line up. Okay, so last one we have is A. So from A to my point of rotation. So how do I get from my point of rotation to A? So I'm going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. which is going to turn into left 6 when I go 90 degrees that way. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is left 9, which is going to turn into left, turns into down 9. Okay, so here's my triangle that I'm rotating. Okay, so from here, left 6, again, always go back to your center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then down 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that point is at -2, -7. This is my A prime. Okay, so let's make sure that we get this. Here's that triangle. Okay, so that's just work to show that. And so I just want to verify. Now, here's the other thing. Once you get one point set, if you can follow where your triangle should be, and again, you could be able to look at it when you take this and rotate it, you can see. And then you can figure out once you have one placed how to move to the others, because remember that that's going to stay consistent. So I could use just to verify, if I can verify that one of these points is actually on its circle. We're not going to worry about drawing the other ones right now. So I'm going to go ahead with this one off this center of rotation to A. Okay. And that's not quite there. There we go. So notice that A is on that circle. So we're good there. Okay. And you could verify for all the others also if you wanted to. So again, this is just a tool to do this. Now, the last thing that I want to make sure to do, because the whole point was rotating that triangle, I want to make sure that I actually draw in this triangle, because this is my actual work, is that this triangle is actually here. And I want to highlight that because that was the whole point of what I was doing. So, oops, I just put a hole in the paper right there. That's not good. Okay, and then I'm going to highlight that because, again, this was my answer right here. That was the whole point. The rest of that's work, and the work is basically for me. So it just helps me to verify that I'm meeting these conditions right there.